What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be doing some Q&A for you guys. I asked you guys some questions on Instagram twice. I got one list here and then another list. Just random stuff. Ask me anything. We're going to go ahead and answer those questions. Fun little video. No knowledge here for you. We might provide a little bit of information based on the questions, but if you guys don't mind, I'm going to be looking at my phone. We'll go ahead and do this first list I have, then we'll move on to the second list. I think it's about 10 to 15 questions. So if you're interested, gaining some knowledge, learning about a couple different things. If I provide some knowledge, I'll give some knowledge. If not, it might just be a fun little video for us to do. Just get out here, learn a little bit more about me, learn a little bit more about stuff we're going to be doing. And without further ado, we will get on to the first list of questions, and let's do it. The first question is, how old are you and when did you get started in the business? I am 15 years old, will be 16 soon. I got started when I was, I guess you could say 13 is when I started the landscaping side, but I really got the passion and started going out there hustling for my money when I was 10. That's when I got a big snowstorm and I was out there getting it done. During that snowstorm, I bought a shovel and I wanted to buy a computer. So I was 10 and we got about 24 inches of snow. So I went out there, got it done, made $300 snow shoveling, bought that computer. It was super awesome. I was so happy to have that computer. It was just a little Chromebook. It got me started, but man, did I like that computer to begin with. Yeah, I think that answers that question. Somebody asks, how many accounts do I have for 2021? As of right now, mowing, we only have one account, one account. And that is a decent amount of acreage. Hopefully, we should land that one, be able to take the Titan on that one. As far as treatment, we focus more on the maintenance and treatment stuff because I don't really have enough time in my schedule to do a lot of mowing. As far as the treatment, I think we're about 16, 17 booked for this year, so it's not bad at all. This question says, when will Ethan Hammond get on the live? Ethan, shout out to Hammond Landscape. Ethan Hammond wants to go live with me on YouTube, so hopefully we'll do that here soon. That way we can do that. He can be happy. We can ask him a couple questions. So let's definitely go ahead and do that before we kick off the season. I'll probably get started in about 3 weeks or so. So let's definitely do that before we get started. The next question says, where do you see yourself in 5 years? This question was actually left by a good buddy of mine, Junior. He's working for Hub Landscaping, I think, this year. Shout out to him. I'll throw his Instagram up on the screen. Give him a follow. Good brother of mine. You learn a lot from him. He's been in the business for a long time. And yeah, he's super cool dude. Where do I see myself in 5 years? Honestly, I have no idea. Well, let's say in 5 years, I'll be, I don't know, 3/4 of the way done with college. Maybe a self-sustainable business. Doing a couple $100,000 a year with maybe 5 guys or so. Me, office person, and maybe 3 or 4 guys in the field. I have no idea, honestly. I like to set short-term goals now, just because I'm so young and I'm in high school. So I like to, wow, this is a mouthful. I like to set short-term goals for myself and achieve those since I'm only in high school, and set a smaller plan, achieve those goals, and go from there. What is the usual down payment percentage for landscape jobs? I take 30% down upon acceptance or the week of the project, depending on who the client is. It really just depends. If I know the client a little bit more, family friend or something like that, I'll take it the week of the job. If I'm worried I'm going to lose the job, I'll take it 30%. Every time I spill. So if I think I'm going to lose the project because they're price shopping or something like that, I'll take 30% upon acceptance. So we're headed to the second list of questions. Somebody says, how does licensing and insurance work for you? Very forgotten question for people. So this year I will probably be getting a sole proprietorship. I could get an LLC, but I think I'm going to hold off for that till next year. I'm not sure. I might need an MDA license for the agricultural shop at nurseries and MHIC. I haven't looked into it much. We'll see about that. What kind of dump trailer do I want? Shout out to my buddy Sam Norris, Progressive Lawn Service. He was showing me a Kaufman 7x14 dump trailer. You can pick it up right from Kaufman in Virginia or North Carolina. I can't remember which one it is. But that dump trailer at the door is just over $7,000. I think that would be a good starting dump trailer because it's not too expensive. Definitely a gold dump trailer would be the Mulchmade DMT. That's about $10,000 to $12,000. I just think when I'm first starting out, that's not going to be the trailer I want to buy, because in case I hit something, I might be pretty upset if I jack up that trailer versus a less expensive trailer. I might give myself a little bit of a lead, or I might see what I can find used. If I can find a decent used dump trailer for $3,000 to $4,000 or $5,000, I might just go that way. So definitely looking around, plenty of options out there. Maybe if a buddy's selling a dump trailer, if you're in my area and you're selling a dump trailer, definitely let me know, because I'll be in the market probably in the next 11 to 12 months for a dump trailer for sure. Not a question, but I'm 17, started when I was 15. I'm in Maryland too. Love what you're doing. I do the same thing. Shout out to you, brother. That is awesome. Love the passion. Let's definitely meet up sometime when this whole COVID thing's gone, and maybe we can meet up and do a little Maryland meetup, because now that I think about it, there's probably more Maryland people, in the lawn care industry than we know. The best way to grow a YouTube channel. So I think consistency is the best way to grow a YouTube channel. Post once a week, post twice a week, whatever you can do. And I think high quality videos is going to be the second. And I think the third is going to be being real or authentic or something like that. I think posting consistently, your fans will know to come back. Being authentic, just being yourself. I think that's good. They'll be able to retain them. And what was the third thing? Oh, and good quality video. So yeah, don't post a crappy video. Make sure it's long ways like this. Don't post like a up and down video like this. Make sure you put some time into it. Make sure, it looks good. It's not, blurry or anything like that. Make sure it's a good watching experience for the viewers. Nothing, too fancy, but, definitely something. My family's being loud in the house. Can you hear them? Also, my computer, if anybody knows how to fix this, it just randomly opens Google tabs. I've YouTubed it. I can't figure it out. Hear my brother? Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come here. Come here. Spin around the camera. You want to say hi? YouTube, I'm filming a video. Wave over top the lens. Stick your hand down in front of it and wave. Just wave right there. All right, somebody says, how did you start your business and what tips do you have for people starting your business? For me, I just started my business. I just decided I was going to do it. I had a passion for landscaping. I just got out there, got started with it. Kind of knew what I was doing from when I was a kid. My dad had taught me some stuff from YouTube, just watching people I knew or didn't know, just kind of building in a little bit of an audience, watching people I knew, new people I found online, and just gaining as much knowledge as possible, figuring it out, and just going out there, getting it done, telling people what I was doing. Eventually you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on customers. And yeah, that's how you grow it. What tips you have for people starting out? Yeah, definitely make sure you have, you don't need the best equipment. Make sure you have some equipment, the right equipment to get started for what you're doing. Definitely have equipment you can use and rely on. Don't have stuff that's so old that you can't rely on it and it won't work. And then advertising when you start out, for sure, definitely make sure you have, a good looking flyer with a good logo and stuff like that. And make sure you're, advertising in an area that you want to be in. Maybe that's not your neighborhood. Maybe it's the next neighborhood over. Make sure you're advertising in an area where you want to reflect yourself and you want your customers to reflect how you do work. I think those are some pretty good tips to start out with. What do you hope the future of your business looks like? Honestly, I am not sure. I don't know, maybe 2 crews, some landscaping. I'm gonna try to stay out of the mowing, but maybe do some mowing just to kind of keep some consistent revenue. So we'll see. Like I said before, I like to keep those short-term goals and yeah, just kind of go from there. So yeah, guys.
Yeah, you know what? You're not starting because I'm getting my clothes.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for submitting your questions. That was pretty fun. That was pretty basic. Yeah, if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave those below. We can always answer those in the comments. So maybe we can put those questions together and do another one of these videos. If you have any other questions, please leave those in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Amazon Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Set short-term goals. So I like to set short-term goals. So I like to set short-term goals. So I like to set short-term goals. I can't say it. So I like to set short-term goals. So I like to set short-term goals. Oh my God. So I like to set short-term goals for myself, and